Hi everybody, welcome back. It is Wednesday today and we're back in action. I want to talk about the crypto trade of the day. For us, it's more of a pending trading opportunity. It's coming from our watch list. We haven't taken any action yet, but I feel like it's coming. I'm talking about the Bitcoin Cash with a stunning move today. It's been hammering upwards, and I feel like it may generate an interesting trading opportunity for us, but we haven't pulled the trigger yet. I think it's coming. I believe we might be taking action here in the next 24 hours. What I want to see here is price action already started to pull back, right? Already started to pull back to 379. That's a big resistance area. But I wanted to keep pulling back all the way to 36940. That's our point of reference. That is our trigger level. So if price action by the end of the day, right? I'm talking about today's session. By the end of the day, pull back enough to close the daily bar below 369.4. That's where we're going to get our cue to activate a short position. We're going to try to fish the turning point, the tipping point here, and I think we have a good chance to do so because I want to show you the big picture situation. First of all, you know, we're still bearish on the market. We think there's more downside potential in the pipeline. With regards to the Bitcoin Cash, I can see how it's going to fail to break out of 379. And also it's going to fail to break above 369.4. Both of these levels are very close to one another. On that failure, I see a lot of downside potential from that point forward, because price action had been trading sideways ever since early February. So we're talking about a month that, you know, it had a strong downside move prior to that. There was a big bear cycle, but then price action kind of took a break, right? Started to trade sideways, and I feel like it's going to continue trading sideways. So I'm not even talking about lower lows, you know, newer lows or stuff or anything like that. I'm just talking about this technical correction that the Bitcoin Cash had been under the last month. I think it can continue trading sideways casually. So a failure to break above 369.4 will force price action to go back to where it came from, and that is the level of 291.17. We saw that level in action just a few days ago, right? It was and you know, it wasn't about just holding price action, but also it was about turning price action on its head. So price action was on the way down and it couldn't penetrate 291.17, and from that point it began to turn around and began to trade upwards. I think it's overshooting slightly right now, but once it pulls back to 369.4, if it does, then we're going to be pulling the trigger on a new short position. Like I said, primary target and final destination is 291.17, but there is a secondary target at 332.5, which we're gonna be taking advantage of. All right, so all eyes are on the Bitcoin Cash for the end of the day. We really need that close below 369.4 to give us that confidence to fire off the first trade. So make sure to keep your eyes on the Bitcoin Cash. I know I would. And once we take action and activate a new short position, I will come back and follow up on the situation and keep you posted. How does that sound? All right, that's about that for this one, guys. See you in the next video. Take care.